Today's information-rich world, data is everywhere, but raw numbers can be overwhelming and difficult to interpret. That's where graphical data presentation comes in. By transforming complex datasets into visuals like charts, graphs, and infographics, we make information more accessible and easier to understand. Visuals help us spot trends, patterns, and outliers at a glance, which would otherwise be buried in spreadsheets. This scene sets the stage for our journey into the world of graphical data presentation, highlighting its importance in making data-driven decisions and communicating insights effectively. There are many different tools available for presenting data graphically. From simple bar charts and line graphs to more complex scatter plots and heat maps, each tool serves a unique purpose. Choosing the right graphical tool depends on the type of data and the story you want to tell. For example, bar charts are great for comparing quantities, while line graphs are perfect for showing trends over time. Understanding the strengths and limitations of each tool is key to effective data visualization. Our charts are one of the most common ways to present categorical data. They use rectangular bars to represent the value of each category, making it easy to compare different groups side by side. Whether you're showing sales by region or survey results by age group, bar charts provide a clear visual comparison. The length or height of each bar corresponds to the value it represents, allowing viewers to quickly grasp differences and similarities among categories. Line graphs are perfect for displaying data that changes over time. By connecting data points with a line, these graphs reveal trends, patterns, and fluctuations. For instance, a line graph can show how website traffic varies month by month or how temperatures change throughout the year. The continuous nature of the line helps viewers see not just individual data points, but also the overall direction and movement of the data. Pie charts are a popular choice for showing proportions and percentages within a whole. Each slice of the pie represents a category's share of the total, making it easy to see which segments are largest or smallest. While pie charts are visually appealing, they work best with a limited number of categories. Too many slices can make the chart hard to read, so use them when you want to highlight a few key parts of your data. Scatter plots are used to explore the relationship between two variables. Each point on the graph represents an observation, with its position determined by the values of both variables. Scatter plots are especially useful for identifying correlations, clusters, and outliers. For example, you might use a scatter plot to see if there's a connection between study time and test scores. Patterns in the points can reveal important insights about your data. Heat maps use color to represent data values, making it easy to spot patterns and concentrations. Each cell or area is colored based on its value, with darker or brighter shades indicating higher or lower values. Heat maps are often used in fields like geography, biology, and business analytics to visualize things like population density, gene expression, or sales performance across regions. They turn complex data into a visual story that's easy to interpret. Infographics combine graphics, charts, and text to tell a data-driven story. They're designed to be engaging and easy to share, making them perfect for communicating complex information to a broad audience. Infographics often use a mix of visuals and concise explanations to guide viewers through the data, highlighting key points and insights. They're widely used in marketing, education, and journalism to make data memorable and impactful. Selecting the right chart type is crucial for effective data presentation. The choice depends on your data and the message you want to convey. For comparisons, bar charts work well. For trends, line graphs are best. To show proportions, use pie charts. And for relationships, scatter plots are ideal. Always consider your audience and the story you want to tell. The right chart makes your data clear and compelling. Color plays a powerful role in graphical data presentation. It can draw attention, group related data, and highlight important points. However, too many colors can be distracting or confusing. Use color thoughtfully to enhance clarity, not just for decoration. Consistent color schemes help viewers interpret your visuals quickly and accurately. Remember to consider colorblind-friendly palettes to ensure your graphics are accessible to everyone. Clear labels and legends are essential for understanding graphical data. Labels identify what each part of the chart represents, while legends explain colors, symbols, or patterns. Without them, viewers might misinterpret your visuals. Always make sure your charts have descriptive titles, axis labels, and legends where necessary. This attention to detail ensures your audience can easily follow and trust your data story. Art junk refers to unnecessary or distracting elements in a chart, such as excessive colors, 3D effects, or decorative images. These extras can make your data harder to read and understand. The best graphical presentations are clean and focused, with every element serving a purpose. Stick to simple designs that highlight your data and avoid clutter that might confuse your audience. Interactive visualizations allow users to explore data on their own. Features like tooltips, filters, and zooming make it possible to dive deeper into the details. Interactive charts are common in dashboards and online reports where viewers can customize what they see. This approach makes data more engaging and helps users find the insights that matter most to them. Dashboards bring multiple visualizations together in one place, providing an overview of key metrics and trends. They're widely used in business, healthcare, and education to monitor performance in real time. Dashboards often combine charts, tables, and indicators, allowing users to track progress and make informed decisions quickly. A well-designed dashboard is clear, concise, and actionable. Apps are powerful tools for presenting geographic data. Whether you're showing sales by region, tracking shipments, or visualizing population density, maps make spatial patterns easy to see. Different types of maps like choropleth or bubble maps can highlight various aspects of your data. Geographic visualizations help audiences connect data to real-world locations, making insights more relatable and actionable. Timelines are ideal for presenting events or data points in chronological order. They help viewers understand sequences, durations, and historical trends. Timelines are commonly used in project management, history, and storytelling to show how things unfold over time. By laying out information along a linear path, timelines make complex sequences easy to follow and remember. While charts and graphs are great for overviews, tables are best for presenting detailed data. They allow viewers to look up specific values and compare exact numbers. Tables are especially useful when precision is important, such as in financial reports or scientific studies. However, too much detail can be overwhelming, so use tables when your audience needs to see the raw data behind the visuals. Histograms are used to show the distribution of numerical data. They group data into bins and display the frequency of values within each range. This makes it easy to see the shape, spread, and central tendency of your data. Histograms are commonly used in statistics and quality control to analyze things like test scores or manufacturing defects. Box plots, also known as box and whisker plots, summarize the distribution and variability of data. They display the median, quartiles, and potential outliers, making it easy to compare groups. Box plots are valuable for spotting differences in spread and identifying unusual values. They're widely used in scientific research and data analysis to provide a quick overview of data variability. Gauge charts or dial charts are used to show performance against a target. They resemble speedometers and are often used in dashboards to display metrics like progress toward goals or system status. Gauges provide an immediate sense of whether values are in a safe, warning, or critical range. They're best for highlighting a single key metric at a glance. Bullet charts are compact visuals that compare performance against benchmarks. They combine bars, markers, and ranges to show how a value measures up to targets or previous results. Bullet charts are space-efficient and ideal for dashboards where you need to display multiple metrics side by side. They help viewers quickly assess performance and spot areas needing improvement. Bubble charts display 3 dimensions of data at once. Like scatter plots, they plot points based on 2 variables, but the size of each bubble represents a third variable. This makes bubble charts useful for visualizing relationships and comparing groups with an added layer of information. They're often used in business and economics to show things like market share, sales, and growth rates. Tree maps visualize hierarchical data using nested rectangles. Each rectangle represents a category, and its size reflects the value. Tree maps are great for showing the structure and proportions within complex datasets, such as company departments or website traffic sources. They make it easy to compare parts of a whole and spot dominant categories at a glance. Sankey diagrams illustrate the flow of resources, energy, or information between stages or categories. The width of each flow line is proportional to its value, making it easy to see where resources are concentrated or lost. Sankey diagrams are commonly used in engineering, finance, and logistics to track movement and identify inefficiencies. And charts are essential for project management. They display tasks along a timeline showing start and end dates, durations, and dependencies. Gantt charts help teams plan, coordinate, and track progress, ensuring projects stay on schedule. They're widely used in construction, software development, and event planning to visualize complex timelines and resource allocation. Waterfall charts show how an initial value is affected by a series of positive or negative changes. Each bar represents a step in the process, making it easy to see how individual factors contribute to the final result. Waterfall charts are often used in finance and accounting to break down profits, expenses, or cash flow. Radial charts or spider charts display multivariate data in a circular format. Each axis represents a variable, and values are plotted as points connected by lines. Radial charts are useful for comparing multiple variables across different categories, such as skill assessments or product features. Their circular layout makes patterns and imbalances easy to spot. Area charts are similar to line graphs but fill the space below the line with color. They're ideal for showing cumulative totals over time, such as sales growth or energy consumption. Area charts make it easy to see both individual trends and the overall volume, helping viewers understand how values build up over a period. Sunburst charts visualize hierarchical data in concentric circles. Each ring represents a level in the hierarchy, and segments show categories within each level. Sunburst charts are great for exploring layered structures, such as organizational charts or file directories. They provide an intuitive way to drill down into complex data and see relationships between levels. Network diagrams map relationships between entities, such as people, organizations, or computers. Nodes represent entities and lines show connections. Network diagrams are widely used in social network analysis, IT infrastructure, and biology to reveal how things are linked. They help viewers understand complex webs of relationships and identify key players or clusters. Word clouds visualize text data by displaying words in varying sizes based on frequency. The more often a word appears, the larger it is in the cloud. Word clouds are popular for summarizing survey responses, social media posts, or customer feedback. They provide a quick snapshot of key themes and topics in large text datasets. Animation can bring data to life by showing changes over time or illustrating complex processes. Animated charts and transitions help viewers follow the story and understand dynamic trends. Animation is especially effective in presentations and videos, where movement can draw attention and clarify how data evolves. Use animation sparingly to enhance, not distract from, your message. With more people accessing information on mobile devices, it's important to design data visuals that work well on small screens. Mobile-friendly charts use larger text, simplified layouts, and interactive features like zooming. Responsive design ensures your visuals look great and remain readable, no matter the device. Always test your graphics on different screen sizes to guarantee accessibility. Accessible data visuals ensure everyone can understand your message, including people with disabilities. Use high-contrast colors, readable fonts, and alternative text for images. Avoid relying solely on color to convey information and provide data tables or descriptions when possible. Accessible design makes your graphics inclusive and expands your audience. Quality of your visuals depends on the quality of your data. Always use reliable sources and double-check your numbers before creating charts. Clearly cite your data sources and update visuals as new information becomes available. Data integrity builds trust with your audience and ensures your presentations are accurate and credible. Great data visuals do more than show numbers, they tell a story. Use your graphics to guide viewers through the data, highlighting key points and leading them to insights. Structure your visuals logically with a clear beginning, middle, and end. Storytelling makes your data memorable and motivates your audience to take action. Even experienced presenters can make mistakes in data visualization. Common errors include using the wrong chart type, distorting axes, or overloading visuals with information. These mistakes can mislead viewers or obscure your message. Always review your visuals for clarity, accuracy, and relevance. Learning from common pitfalls helps you create more effective presentations. Ethical data visualization means presenting information honestly and transparently. Avoid manipulating visuals to exaggerate trends or hide important details. Clearly label axes, use appropriate scales, and disclose any limitations in your data. Ethical visuals build trust and support informed decision-making, while misleading graphics can damage credibility. There are many tools available for creating graphical data presentations. Popular options include Excel, Tableau, Power BI, and Google Data Studio. Each tool offers different features, from simple chart creation to advanced interactive dashboards. Choose the tool that fits your needs, budget, and technical skills. Experiment with different platforms to find the best fit for your projects. Creating effective data visuals often involves collaboration. Work with subject matter experts, designers, and stakeholders to ensure your graphics are accurate and impactful. Collaborative tools and cloud platforms make it easy to share drafts, gather feedback, and refine your visuals. Teamwork leads to better results and more meaningful presentations. Let's look at some real-world examples of graphical data presentation. Businesses use dashboards to monitor sales, governments publish maps to track public health, and educators use infographics to explain complex topics. These examples show how effective visuals can turn raw data into actionable insights, driving better decisions in every field. Field of data visualization is constantly evolving. New technologies like augmented reality, virtual reality, and artificial intelligence are opening up exciting possibilities. Future trends include more interactive, immersive, and personalized visuals. Staying up to date with these trends ensures your presentations remain engaging and effective in a rapidly changing world. If you're interested in mastering graphical data presentation, there are many resources available. Online courses, books, and tutorials can help you build your skills. Practice by creating your own visuals and analyzing examples from experts. The more you learn and experiment, the more confident you'll become in presenting data visually. Sum up: graphical data presentation transforms complex information into clear, engaging visuals. By choosing the right chart, using color and labels effectively, and focusing on clarity, you can communicate insights powerfully. Remember to consider your audience, maintain data integrity, and stay updated with new tools and trends. Effective visuals make data accessible, memorable, and actionable. As you continue your journey in graphical data presentation, remember that practice and curiosity are your best guides. Experiment with different chart types, explore new tools, and always seek feedback. The world of data visualization is vast and full of opportunities to make an impact. With each project, you'll become more skilled at turning data into stories that inform, inspire, and drive action.